everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800f0983 when updating your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side under Options, select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and go ahead and run that. Okay, and see if it's able to resolve the problem automatically. If not, we can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the Command Prompt window here. Right-click on it, select Edit and paste that in. Hit enter to begin that scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that is finished running, go ahead and paste in the second command. This is the system file checker utility, and run it. And once that's finished, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue's been resolved, and if you attempt to proceed to check for updates, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.